Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C21Y and let me share with you how to enable automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's enter developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so just check it and come back to this video. So if we are on the developer options, we have to scroll down a little bit in order to find automatic system updates. Right now they are turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this option from this moment they are active, so it means that your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to allow automatic system updates in your REALME C21Y. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.